Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we are learning the 17th block, which is motion, force, and work. So, you have learned that motion is nothing but movement in the position of an object with the time. Isn't it, children? And force is nothing but push and pull of an object is called force, isn't it? And we also learned that force can change the state of a object. That means if a moving object, we can stop the object with the force, or if it is a stationary object, if it is not moving with the force, we can move the object. Isn't it, children? And also we have learned that force can change the direction of the motion of the object. That means, using the example of cricket or hockey, if the ball is coming towards you, with the help of a bat, if you hit the ball with the bat, then the ball changes its direction, which is the force is changing the direction of the motion of an object. Isn't it, children? So in the third topic, we are going to learn how the force can change the shape of an object. Okay, so please open your content books to page number 108. Okay, so there you can see that force can also change the shape of an object. How can you see in the picture, children? The potter is using his hands and applying some force so that the clay can get a proper shape, isn't it, children? So that is the force is changing the shape of an object. Actually it should be flat, but because of the movement of the force with his hands, the shape of the object has been changing, isn't it? In the same way, the down picture, you can see that the crane is demolishing means to destroy. It is destroying the house. It is breakdowning the house, isn't it, children, with some force. Yes, so that is also that a proper shape is destroyed. So the shape is destroyed, isn't it? And if you see the martial art, that is the taekwondo, karate experts, also with their force they break the wooden boards, isn't it? Wooden boards, and sometimes they even break the bricks also. Yes, so in the same way we can take some more examples. See, can you see a ball here, children? The green color ball, when you apply force, it is getting together. Isn't it, children? It is becoming together in the same picture, the green ball. So that's because of the force you are applying on the ball. It is getting squeezed, isn't it? In the same way, when you make a lemon juice, so you have to squeeze the lemon to get the lemon juice, isn't it? So while you're squeezing the lemon, you are applying some force, isn't it? So that is applying the force. You can changing the shape of the lemon. Here also, in the first example also, you are changing the shape of the ball. It is round. When you apply force, it is becoming like a thin strip, isn't it? So in the same way, the rubber band also, the shape of a rubber band is normal, but you apply force and you try to extend it, it becomes like this. That means the shape of the rubber band has been changed, isn't it? And if you take a clay and if you make it a ball and if you press it, that means you, with the help of your force, you made that clay into ball. And also when you press it with some force, it is becoming like a flat, isn't it? So we can, with these all these examples, we can say that force can change the shape of the object, isn't it, children? So this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork, and also read the content book, force can change shape. Okay, and try to underline the keywords and understand the meaning of the keywords. Okay, children. Now, coming to your question answers. Force can change the shape of an object. Write three examples of force changing the shape of the object. So, children, here you can write the potter example, you can write the crane example, you can write the martial arts example, or the rubber band one, the ball one, the lemon one, whichever you want, you can write. In that, you will need to write three examples. So, I have written the example of a potter which who uses his force to shape the pot, or the force which the crane uses to demolish the house. And the martial arts expert also uses the force to break the wooden bricks or wooden boards, you can say. Okay, children. So in this way, I have given these three examples. You can write your own examples also, but it should have that force is changing the shape of the object. Okay, children. So write this answer and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 7, S3, changing shape. Okay. So in the next class, we will learn about the work. Okay, children. So see you in the next class. Bye.